You are going to love the 2021 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front wheel drive, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration. Come take a test drive today.